Hey everyone, this is the Microsoft Surface Pro 10, and the company says it's going to redefine how you work, draw, collaborate, and maybe even ditch your laptop entirely. But after spending some serious time with it, I found things they don't mention in the ads. So, is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's dive in. Microsoft Surface Pro 10 product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Surface Pro 10 is the latest flagship 2-in-1 for Microsoft, announced March 21, 2024 and released in April 2024. It's targeted mainly at pros, creatives, and on-the-go productivity types who want the tablet flexibility and laptop muscle. Microsoft markets it as their AI-ready Surface Pro for business. Key selling points: detachable keyboard, kickstand, Intel Core Ultra chips, excellent display, and full Windows 11. Starting price: around $1,199 for the base model. Microsoft Surface Pro 10 performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? For me, this one handled everything from writing blog posts and editing slides to streaming 4K footage and casual Photoshop work with noticeable speed. The newest Intel Core Ultra 5 135U and 7 165U chips inside clearly help. According to real-world testing from Engadget, it scored higher on PC Mark X versus the previous model. The system felt responsive. Apps launched quick, multitasking didn't kill smoothness, and as a tablet, it was snappy. But here's the thing. It's not perfect. Under sustained, heavy workloads, some heat buildup was noticeable. Reviewers at TechZine noted it gets warm under battery discharge. Also, if you're comparing to ultra-powerful laptops, this won't replace a desktop workstation easily. Limits remain because of the thin form factor and fan and thermal constraints. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features and why you should care. 13-inch 2880 by 1920 3:2 display plus 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen is crisp, the 3:2 ratio gives more vertical space, which is great for productivity, and the 120 Hz means scrolling and pen work feel extra smooth. Benefit: it just feels premium when you're writing, drawing, or browsing. No laggy pen trails, no stutter. Intel Core Ultra plus NPU AI Boost. This model supports Intel's AI Boost features and has a neural processing unit that helps with on-device AI workloads. Microsoft emphasizes this for Copilot, etc. Benefit: for future-proofing and if you use AI-enabled workflows, e.g. auto-framing webcam, live captions, smart editing, this could seem very forward-looking. 2 USB-C/Thunderbolt 4 ports plus Surface Connect. That's serious for a tablet. You can charge, drive external monitors, even up to 8K, transfer data at high speeds. Benefit: you're not locked into wimpy ports. You can use this as a real machine. Dock it, add monitors, external SSDs. Design and build. Aesthetically, Microsoft mostly nails it. The Surface Pro 10 retains the magnesium and aluminum feel of past Surfaces. It's sleek, minimalistic, feels premium in hand. Specs listed weighing around 1.94 pounds, tablet alone, and thickness around 0.37 inch. The kickstand still folds out to multiple angles, which is one of the hallmark touches of the Surface lineup. In practice, when you set it on a cafe table, plain tray, or sofa, it works. Practical things to note. Because it's a 13-inch size in tablet mode, it's a little large for one-hand use. Long-term, some reviewers pointed out their wrist got fatigued when holding it purely as a slate. Pros: excellent display and refresh rate. Makes everyday use feel premium. Strong performance for a 2-in-1. Multitasking flows, pro apps behave nicely. Great port selection, Thunderbolt 4, and versatile form factor, tablet plus laptop. High build quality with premium materials and excellent keyboard and pen support. Cons: battery life in real world may fall short of the hype for heavy users. Larger size in tablet mode may be less tablet-like for casual browsing or lounging. Premium price tag, keyboard and pen sold separately means total cost stacks up. Final verdict. So, who is this for and is it worth the money? If you're a busy pro, a content creator, a student with serious productivity needs, or someone who wants true flexibility, Laptop when you type, tablet when you draw or breeze through, the Surface Pro 10 is a very compelling choice. You'll get premium feel, future-proof port options, and a display that really shines. But if you're on a tighter budget, if you primarily browse the web or watch videos and don't need the detachable keyboard or heavy one